In this tutorial, we will show how to edit a test to make it possible to change what's being typed by using a variable. Click the pencil to enter edit mode and edit this step of the test. Or instead, you could use the Edit Test button in the top right. We will change the typed text to be controlled by a variable. This means you will be able to optionally specify a different value to be typed anytime you run the test. Here, we will enter a name for the variable. Note how the original static value became the default value of the variable. Next, we will save the change we made. Note that we now have version 2 of the test. Open the Run Test button menu. We will use the Run Customized button to run the test with a custom variable value. The icon series indicates that the test was edited and then executed, which ended with a failure, as expected because we entered an invalid email address. You can see the custom value was indeed used in this test run. You can see which step failed and why. In this case, the confirmation text didn't appear below the contact form because the email we entered was not valid. You can still run the test with the default variable values without filling in anything, which results in a passed test run.